As we always begin our assembly, I will be brief, but I would like to say a few words and to thank you too for your participation in our very first virtual Outstanding Scholar Assembly. This is part of our Scholars Academy culture. It is very ingrained and what makes us seawolves. And at the very first, I'm glad that I was able to host a live assembly as interim acting principal before we left for remote learning. That was one of the best parts so far, becoming the leader of the school. And it has been something that we've always done. Mr. Racinas was just reminding us how when we were dislocated after Hurricane Sandy and we spent several months in different buildings, that we still went forward with this tradition. It took us a little while to get this off the ground, so thank you for your patience, but it is something that we are committed to continuing to do to celebrate your hard work. It is very important that we take time to reflect and celebrate our accomplishments. And those of you who are selected today are here because you're demonstrating your commitment to learning and you're demonstrating how you are a seawolf. Part of what that means to be a seawolf and part of why we have this celebration and part of what it means to be a seawolf is being empathetic and resilient. And our school leadership team very recently revised our school's mission and vision statement to include those two words, empathy and resilience. To be empathetic is to be able to put yourself in the shoes of another person, to be able to take on someone else's perspective. And in the times that we're living in right now, that is more important than ever. It is important that we recognize the challenges that people are facing throughout our community, throughout our city, throughout our state, throughout our nation, and across the whole world. We are right now facing a pandemic that is impacting everyone, everywhere. It's important that we stay safe and healthy, that we're grateful for what we have, and that we recognize the challenges of our community. So that it is that word is an extremely important one and is becoming even more significant in these times. The other word is resilience, and that is one that has been important to us. It was something that came up very strongly for our school community right around the time of Hurricane Sandy. It means being able to stay strong and rise up when faced with obstacles. We are most definitely faced with some obstacles right now, trying to recreate our school in a virtual environment, transitioning so quickly to remote learning. This is a great challenge for us. I do believe we've been at an advantage over some other schools. We are much more tech savvy. Most of our students had access to technology, and we were able to get technology into the hands of students who needed it very quickly. But we still need to be resilient. It is still not easy. This is a challenge for all of us, and it is important that we come together, that we continue to strive for excellence and continue to let our scholar spirit show. It's going to take creativity, ingenuity. We're going to need to be innovative, but we've already demonstrated that spirit. We've demonstrated our resilience, and I have every confidence that we will continue.